Yes, what's up? Welcome back to another video. This is KEERTHAN Mani, and in this video, I'm gonna share about how to start trading. And this video is only for beginners. How to start trading and what are the things you have to know before doing trading. When you have decided to grow your money in the market, and this video is for you guys. And without let's move into the topic. Before going into the video, there are three type of segments in trading. That is stock market, crypto, and forex. And for beginners, choose stock market at starting instead of crypto and forex, because in nowadays forex is illegal in India and don't have a better leverage. And also in crypto has a lot of scans going in nowadays. So keep for some time keep these two things away and start trading in stock market. First one, opening a demat account through a broker and choose a right broker. By the way, broker is a middle person between a trader and a market. And what is meant by choosing a right broker? Choosing a right broker means a broker who offers a less brokerage. Here, brokerage term means it is a fee charged by the broker whenever you trade through a broker like Zerodha and Upstock. So, in order to save money in trading, choose a broker who offers a less brokerage. Second one, having a better knowledge in price action. In upcoming videos, I will teach a step-by-step guide about price action. So what is price action? Basically, in name itself, it is the action of the price where it has high chances to go in the direction up and down. So in this trading, price action plays an important role. Third one is to have your own trading strategy. Here, trading strategy means do backtesting on your trading strategy, and it should have nearly 70 to 80% of win rate in order to make profit in real trading. You can do backtesting in the app called TradingView, which is similar to real trading, and also spend a lot of time in backtesting in order to get a better experience whether your strategy works or not in trading. So for beginners who don't know about backtesting on your strategy, means you're testing your strategy on the app TradingView. We use here paper trading, means it is a fake money. So by using this fake money, we test our strategy whether it works or not in trading. The more you do back testing, the more you get experience. Fourth one is to have a better risk management. That means in trading, never risk more than 2% on a trade, and also have a better risk management allows you to not lose the money in trading as fast as possible. And also guys, in upcoming videos, I'll try to make a video regarding to risk management. The people who don't know and who does not keep their risk management properly, they have high probability to lose their money in trading. Fifth one, have a specific time window. Especially for intraday traders, should have a proper time window because not all days give same profit. Example, let us take a swing trader or a positional trader, and they use mostly monthly and weekly time frame, whereas intraday trader mostly use a daily or 4 hours or 1 hour time frame to make the trading smoothly. By using this time window, we can know the behind story of the market. What is the story is going in the market, whether it is bullish or bearish. So maintaining a specific time window is must and should. Sixth one is to have a better entry system and exit strategy. Suppose when you enter into the market and you will face a huge psychological battle in your mind. To avoid this, make a proper entry system and exit strategy. It means మనం మార్కెట్‌లో ఎక్కడ ఎంట్రీ అవ్వాలి. అండ్ అలాగే ఎంట్రీ అయ్యాక ఎక్కడ స్టాప్ లాస్ పెట్టుకొని ఎక్కడ ఎగ్జిట్ అవ్వాలి. సో, ఇన్ అప్‌కమింగ్ వీడియోస్ I'll try to make a video regarding to this entry and exit strategy. The summary of the video. First one, open a demat account through a broker which offers a less brokerage. Second one, having a good knowledge about price action. Third one, have your own trading strategy. Fourth one, to have a better risk management. Fifth one, have a specific time window. And sixth one, make an entry system and exit strategy. That's all for today video guys. I hope you like this video. And also, if you get this video is useful, smash the subscribe button. And see you in the next video. Bye guys.